Welcome, guys. In the last week, we learned about using Microsoft SQL for conducting data analytics. Some data sets are given to you, and you people worked on those data sets using Microsoft SQL and Microsoft Excel, and you created dispersions and averages. You also created histograms and some important exploratory data is evaluated by you people. Okay, in this week let us start using Microsoft, not Microsoft SQL client, and we use structured query language for the purpose of extracting needed information out of the data that is given to you. Okay, for this purpose, like in order to use SQL structured query language, we need a client, a software on which we can write SQL commands, and we can include data, and we can write SQL commands to extract meaningful information out of it. Okay, so we need to install a software for that, and that is PostgreSQL. That is what we are using for this purpose. Like we can use our own Microsoft, not yeah, we can use our own SQL client like of our interest, but it is suggested to use PostgreSQL. Okay, so what I do is in this video I will help you to install PostgreSQL on your system. Okay, just follow these steps to download PostgreSQL from internet and install it on your system. Guys, I say you one thing before installation, it takes some time, be patient and install it. All right, so let me start. So, precondition to installation software is to know what is the type of system you have. Okay, is that a 32-bit system or a 64-bit system? For that, just follow this step. Open your computer, and if it is installed with Microsoft Windows 10, then you will get this PC kind of thing. If it is not Microsoft Windows 10, if it is not Windows 10, earlier version of Windows 10, then means Windows 9, Windows 8 or something else, just this here you will be having it, my computer. Okay, just click on this PC and go to properties, and there you can see this kind of window will be shown, which will be showing your system details. In that, system type will be there, that will like just in front of that, detail related to your system will be given. My system is a 64-bit operating system. So try to understand, guys, the software that we install, or whatever the software we try to install, it will be in two versions. One will be in 32-bit version and another one will be in 64-bit versions usually. Okay, based on the type of the system you have, you will be installing that software. Okay, if you have a 64-bit system, you can install 64-bit or 32-bit software. You can install both, but if you got a 32-bit system, you need to install 32-bit software or lesser one. Okay, means maybe 16-bit one, in that way. So my system is 64-bit one, so I'm going to install 64-bit software on my system. Okay, chalo, let us start finding about software. All right, just open Google window, and search for PostgreSQL, PostgreSQL 12, and when you search for that, there will be a first link that is shown in the results. Just open that link. Okay, and go to download section. Okay, you got different options. Your system is Windows system, so click on Windows, and these are some of the important versions that we have. As I mentioned it to you, based on your system, you need to select your version. Okay, these are the versions that are available. Click here on the download the installer option. Okay, just click on it. Here we got the options for Windows 64-bit and Windows 32-bit. So my system is Windows 64-bit one. You already saw that, right? So I'm using this link to download software, and you can click on this if your system is Windows 32. This is the most advanced one. All right. So I'm clicking on this. It takes few minutes to download, or 1 or 2 minutes to download. uh, yes, it got downloaded. So here it is. PostgreSQL 13.12.3.2 is downloaded. Let me open that and double click it. I click S on it. Okay, just click S. Now the installation process is starting. Yes, it's got started. So I keep the same folder, default one. I keep all these things should be checked. It is recommended to you guys to keep all these things checked. Okay, so then I click it next. Again, I will click on next. Again, I will click on next and next. It got started, guys. It is installing all the files. Okay, it might take few minutes. Okay, until it unpacks everything and it installs the software on your system. So just wait for that. This is the status box. When the green color starts fill this box. Okay, when the complete box is filled with green color, it means that your installation is done. And here a new window will be popped up by finish button is highlighted on its wizard. Okay, so till then just wait for it. Okay guys, let us see. I know it is taking some time, but still please wait for the process to get complete. Okay, so my installation is still under process. I have been waiting from last 6 or 7 minutes, so it might be same with you. So just wait for few more minutes, let it get completed. Okay, so big software. And it's installing too many files, so it is taking some time. Okay guys, let's wait for that. When it is done, this is the window we get. So what I want you to do is just we don't need any new stack to build, so just uncheck this one and click finish. Okay, it's a simple step. Now the application got installed, so let us check in our windows. Click on windows symbol and press postgre. So it got installed. All right, so pg admin 4 is available now. Just click on open. Again, it takes some time as it is the initial setup, so just wait for it. Now after setup, this is the page that will be opening by the software. So just create your password, make your password root. Okay, just click on root and click OK. So no, never don't save your password. You just it is very easy to remember. Your password is root. Okay, never click never. Now you got servers and just click so root. I guess you just created as a software. Open this server and click on PostgreSQL. Now you have databases and everything is set. Now you are ready to use this software for conducting further activities. Okay, this is how you need to install it. That's it guys. Just install the software, make sure that this is shown. If it is not shown, just ping me. If I'm not responding in chat, you can call me. I guess you have my numbers, right? Thank you guys. Happy working. Bye. In the next video, I will show you the activity related information.